Microsoft is spending $80 billion on AI, more than the GDP of 120 countries combined. But here's the shocking part: they are reopening a nuclear disaster site to power it. In the next few minutes, I will reveal why this massive gamble could either revolutionize humanity, or become the tech industry's biggest mistake. In a world where artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, but a daily reality, Microsoft has just made an announcement that's sending shockwaves through the tech industry. Picture this: an $80 billion investment in AI infrastructure, that's larger than the GDP of many countries. But what does this massive number really mean for our future? Let's dive deep into this technological revolution that's unfolding before our eyes. The investment breakdown: let's break down these stunning numbers. Of this $80 billion global investment, more than $50 billion is staying right here in American soil. Imagine a network of advanced data centers spreading across the United States, each one a technological marvel housing thousands of powerful computers working in perfect harmony. These aren't just buildings filled with servers, they are the factories of the digital age, creating jobs and fostering innovation in communities across the nation. But what makes these data centers so special? Step inside with me into one of these facilities. The first thing you'll notice is the rows upon rows of specialized hardware. At the heart of these centers are cutting-edge chips from NVIDIA. Think of them as the brains of the operation. These aren't your everyday computer processors. They're specially designed AI accelerators that can perform millions of calculations in the blink of an eye. The scale of operations: to put this in perspective, Microsoft's spending in the last fiscal year alone reached over $50 billion on capital expenditures. Most of this went into constructing and upgrading these technological marvels. But why such massive spending? Because the demand for AI services isn't just growing, it's exploding. Every time you use a smart assistant, every time a business implements AI solutions, every time researchers push the boundaries of what's possible, these data centers are making it happen. Now, here's where the story gets even more interesting. These AI supercomputers have an enormous appetite for energy. A single large-scale AI model can consume as much electricity as several hundred households. Microsoft's solution? They returning to an unexpected source: nuclear power. In a groundbreaking move, they're planning to reopen a reactor at the 3 Mile Island nuclear power plant in Pennsylvania. This isn't just any power plant, it's the site of America's most famous nuclear incident in 1979. But now, it's being reimagined as a clean energy source for the AI revolution. Microsoft isn't alone in this nuclear renaissance. Tech giants Amazon and Google are also signing similar agreements. This marks a fascinating intersection of atomic energy and artificial intelligence, two technologies that have defined different eras of human innovation. These data centers are architectural and engineering marvels. They redesigned with redundant power systems, advanced cooling solutions, and security measures that would make Fort Knox envious. The buildings themselves are optimized for energy efficiency, using advanced airflow systems and heat recycling technology. Some facilities even use AI to manage their own power consumption and cooling needs. Talk about AI helping AI. While $50 billion is staying in America, the remaining $30 billion will create a global network of interconnected AI facilities. This international web of data centers will enable unprecedented collaboration and computing power, while ensuring data sovereignty and security for different regions. The security aspect: Microsoft's president Brad Smith emphasizes a critical balance. These facilities must be both secure and accessible. Think of it like a high-tech library. While the books, or in this case, the data and computing power, need to be protected, they also need to be available to those who can use them to advance human knowledge and innovation. Looking to the future, as we look ahead, these investments are laying the groundwork for technologies we can barely imagine today. From advancing medical research to solving climate change challenges, from revolutionizing education to transforming how we work, these AI data centers will be the engines driving human progress in the 21st century. So this isn't just a story about buildings filled with computers. It's about humanity's next great leap forward. Microsoft's $80 billion investment is a testament to how seriously the tech industry is taking AI's potential to reshape our world. As these facilities come online over the next few years, they will form the backbone of a new technological where artificial intelligence helps us tackle our greatest challenges and unlock unprecedented opportunities. So, if you are curious about how that one decision by Mark Zuckerberg changes the future of AI forever, tap the video on your screen now to uncover the future.